TikTok Shop is not what you think it is. Everyone sees the viral videos and the crazy sales numbers and assumes it's this open platform where anyone can win. But that's not what's actually happening anymore. The platform has evolved, and most sellers who are still playing by the old rules are now getting crushed. So recently, a friend of mine got his account permanently banned even though he has a perfect seller rating. Meanwhile, a brand new seller selling dog poop bags made $150,000 from one video. Now, it's not luck, and there's a very specific reason why some people are winning big while everyone else is struggling. I spent the last 2 weeks talking to people who run agencies managing hundreds of accounts, and one of them, my buddy Ian over at Bullseye Sellers, actually showed me some internal documents that are not available to the public. There are two massive changes that happened in the last 6 months that explain why sellers with perfect metrics are getting banned, why random products are doing millions in sales, and why the common advice everyone's giving online will actually destroy your account. Now, the first change is something TikTok has never publicly revealed. They have a secret probation system that's controlling exactly how much money you are allowed to make. They call it tiers, and there are 4 of them. There's beginner, standard, premium, and pro. And when you're in the lower tiers, TikTok artificially limits how much you can sell, and most people have no idea this is even happening to their account. I know a seller with a 4.4 shop score out of 5, 0 counterfeit listings, passed all the quizzes, and 9 active product listings. But they couldn't graduate to the next tier because TikTok requires exactly 10 listings to go premium. Everything else was perfect, but they were stuck because of one arbitrary requirement that they didn't know about. And this is where it gets a little nutty. When you're in the beginner and standard tiers, you're limited to only 500 sales per month maximum. It doesn't matter if your product goes viral or if you have the best affiliates ready to promote you. TikTok will not let you receive more than 500 orders, and they're literally capping your success on purpose. Now, why would they do this? Well, last year, they opened the floodgates and got inundated with counterfeit products and dropshippers from other countries. Now, TikTok is terrified of letting anyone scale quickly because they can't tell who's legitimate and who can handle the volume. So basically, they're punishing everyone because of the bad actors. You could be a completely legit 7-figure Amazon seller with perfect metrics, and TikTok will still put you through this 60 to 90-day probation period where one wrong move will get you permanently banned. And that brings us to the second change, which is actually the one destroying most accounts. Now, 6 months ago, you could fulfill orders yourself or use any third-party logistics company and you'd be fine. But now, TikTok essentially requires you to use their fulfillment program called Fulfilled by TikTok, or FBT. And most sellers can't get access to it easily. And in fact, on February 25th of this year, TikTok is officially discontinuing seller shipping for US brands. Now, here's why FBT matters. Your shop score is based mostly on fulfillment metrics like on-time tracking uploads, shipping speed, message response times, and refund handling. TikTok's automated system watches all these metrics, and if any one of them slip even slightly, your shop score tanks. Now, when you're processing just 50 orders a day by hand, it's not a big deal. But when a video goes viral and you're suddenly staring down 800 orders in 6 hours, well, that's when you're going to mess something up. And what makes this dangerous is that it doesn't even have to be your fault. The carriers aren't trained on TikTok's tracking requirements, so when they miss a scan or mark something incorrectly, your account pays the price. Every single order you ship yourself is a potential ban waiting to happen. But when you use Fulfilled by TikTok, all these violations magically disappear because TikTok is handling the fulfillment themselves. They can't penalize you for late tracking when they're doing the shipping, and they can't ding you for refund response times when they're processing refunds automatically. It removes all the risk, and shipping a 1.5 pound item costs about $5.71 with no hidden fees or surprise storage charges. That is about half of what you would pay with Amazon FBA. But here's the catch. Even though TikTok is forcing everyone to use Fulfilled by TikTok, they have a finite capacity. And unless you have a direct contact at TikTok or you're working with an agency that has those relationships, you might still get stuck. And while you're waiting, one carrier mistake or one slow customer service response can end your entire business. This is why we're seeing such a massive divide. The sellers crushing it got into FBT early or have agency connections that got them whitelisted. Whereas the ones getting banned are doing everything right, but they're stuck fulfilling orders themselves, and the system makes that basically impossible to do without eventually hitting a violation that kills your account. By the way, if you're interested in building a profitable online store the right way, I put together a free 6-day mini course that walks you through exactly how to start your own profitable online store from scratch. Just grab it at the link below and I guarantee you'll learn a ton. But let's say you somehow get past the probation period and into Fulfilled by TikTok. There's a third problem that most people don't think about when they're just starting out. You need affiliates to make real money on TikTok Shop, and getting them is way harder than anyone admits. Here's a stat that I find crazy. There are over 1 million people enrolled in TikTok Shop's affiliate program, but only about 2,000 are actually making real money, so the pool is quite small. Those 2,000 successful affiliates can look at your shop metrics just like you can look at theirs. And when they see that your brand new store makes only $2,000 a month, while they're generating $50,000 for other brands, they're not going to be interested in promoting you. It's like trying to call Taylor Swift to do your local TV commercial. This creates a massive chicken and egg problem. You need affiliate sales to grow and get out of probation, but good affiliates won't work with you until you're already successful. Meanwhile, new shops get a 2 to 4% response rate from outreach on average, which means that most of your messages get completely ignored. So how are people getting past this? Well, they're not going after the big guys. There's a greeting card company that went from $4,000 to $1 million in 1 month using a single level 1 affiliate with almost no track record. The guy I mentioned earlier sold $150,000 worth of poop bags from a brand new affiliate who made a 30-second video that got 4.5 million views. None of these were established creators with huge followings. They were all hungry level 1 affiliates who were willing to take a chance on an unproven product because they needed the opportunity just as much as the brand needed it. So bottom line, you can't chase the top 1% of affiliates because those people already have 50 brands trying to work with them every single day. They don't need to take a risk on your unproven shop, but level 1 and level 2 creators who are just starting out are hungry, willing to experiment, and if you give them great products and coach them on what makes a good video, you guys can grow together. That is the actual strategy that's working right now. But finding these affiliates is only half the battle. The real question is what kind of product actually works on this platform and what offer to give them to respond in the first place. So let me break down what's actually working right now in 2026. If you understand these 3 things, you can still win on TikTok Shop, even with all these restrictions. Now first, you need a product that demonstrates well on video. A unique selling proposition that solves a real problem and a really good offer. This pop-up greeting card did over $1 million last month because you can physically show it opening and surprising someone in a 15-second video. Making it didn't require a complicated production with fancy editing or expensive equipment. It was literally just someone's hands showing how the product works for 30 seconds. But within those 30 seconds, you can see the problem and the solution. If your product requires a long explanation or the benefits aren't immediately obvious, it's going to struggle on TikTok Shop. Your unique selling proposition is about differentiation. One of my colleagues sells a serum to cure back acne, but the affiliate used her product to smooth her bikini line and found a unique use case that made it stand out from every other body serum on the platform. And that's why it went viral. If you're selling something that looks exactly like 50 other products, you need to find what makes yours different or find a unique use case nobody else is talking about. And here's the third piece that becomes absolutely critical. You need a killer offer. When that poop bag affiliate promoted the product, he wasn't just selling poop bags. He was selling a 1-year supply with a premium dispenser holder at half the price of Target or PetSmart. So it was a no-brainer purchase for anyone with a dog. Here's what's better about TikTok compared to Amazon. On Amazon, you're competing on search rankings and pay-per-click costs, everyone fighting over the same keywords. On TikTok Shop, when a video goes viral, it doesn't matter if there are 500 similar products because nobody else is seeing those products. They're seeing your affiliate's video in their feed, and if that video is compelling and the offer makes sense, they're buying right then and there without comparison shopping. And that's why we're seeing these explosive results like $4,000 to $1 million in 30 days. When the algorithm picks up your video and it resonates with people, the conversion happens immediately. There's no consideration phase, no real research, just an impulse purchase driven by entertaining content and a strong offer. So if you're thinking your product might not work on TikTok Shop, ask yourself these 3 questions. Can you demonstrate it visually in under 30 seconds? Do you have a unique angle or use case that makes it different? And is your offer strong enough that someone would buy it impulsively without researching alternatives? If you can answer yes to all 3 questions, you have a shot at making this work. So here's the reality. 6 months ago, TikTok Shop was wide open, and now there's a system designed to filter out who gets to win. But that system has rules, and if you know the rules, you can beat it. The sellers making life-changing money right now aren't lucky, and they're not special. They just understood these 3 things before everyone else did. They got into FBT, they found hungry level 1 affiliates who needed them, and they had products that could be demonstrated in 30 seconds with a killer offer. If you're starting today, here's your exact playbook. Get on the Fulfilled by TikTok immediately because that's your biggest bottleneck. And if you want to jump the line and get accepted immediately, reach out to Bullseye sellers and they will help you out. In the meantime, use Amazon's multi-channel fulfillment to handle your orders while you're still allowed to. I didn't see Amazon on the approved ERP list, so I'm guessing that will be phased out soon too. Then, use a service like Celico to run giveaway campaigns to get you out of the probation period faster. The moment you get FBT access, switch over because you'll pay half the price and get that badge that makes affiliates take you seriously. And then finally, focus all of your energy on finding level 1 and level 2 affiliates who are hungry and willing to grow with you, and don't chase the top 1% who already have 50 brands in their inbox. TikTok is clearly moving towards established brands with resources, but that doesn't mean you can't win. It just means that the easy money phase, where anyone could stumble into success, is over. Now you need a real strategy, and if you have one, the opportunity is still absolutely massive. The math works, the window is still open, you just need to go in knowing what you're up against. Now all these changes to TikTok Shop prove how fast the game shifts. And if you want to stay on top of all the latest trends and learn what's actually working right now, you should come to my annual e-commerce conference at Seller Summit. I handpick every speaker because they're in the trenches right now. There's no theory, no fluff, just proven playbooks you can steal immediately. So if you want to hang out in person and you're serious about winning, you need to be there. Link is in the description below. And now that you understand the changes with TikTok, make sure you watch this video here for step-by-step instructions on how to get started.